In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrows to lines in Canva, an essential skill for enhancing your graphic design projects. Whether you're working on a presentation, designing a social media post, or even crafting a beautiful infographic, arrows can direct attention, indicate a flow, or simply add a touch of flair to your design. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Canva and navigate to your design project. Once you're in the document you want to edit, begin by heading over to the left toolbar and clicking on Elements. This will open up a wide menu of shapes, graphics, and various lines that you can incorporate into your design. We're focusing on lines today, so our next task is to locate them. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type in Lines. You will be greeted with an array of line styles to choose from, which will include everything from straight and simple lines to more decorative and accented options. Once you see the options, it's time to select a line that complements your design. Click on the line of your choice and it will immediately be added to your canvas. Next, with the line selected, you'll notice a toolbar appear above your design. It's here where you have the option to edit and add arrows to your lines. Look for an icon that represents line endings, often stylized with an arrow symbol. Clicking this will pull down a small menu. Here you can choose an arrow to add to either end of your line, or both ends depending on your narrative needs. After applying the arrows, you might want to explore changing the line type. You can opt for solid, dashed, or dotted lines. Each type can add a different visual texture and convey distinct meanings. To do this, click on the appropriate icon from the toolbar and select the style that suits your project's theme the best. An additional tip is to experiment with the line's direction. Instead of keeping it straight, you can add character by utilizing the elbowed or curved options. Click on either option and simply drag the line on your canvas to achieve your desired angle or curve. This can really enhance the aesthetics and flow of your design, allowing you to guide viewers' eyes in more dynamic ways. Just like that, you've skillfully added arrows to lines in your Canva project, giving it both clarity and beauty. Remember, playing with these settings doesn't just make your design visually appealing, it also helps emphasize key points, making your communications much more effective. Keep experimenting with different designs and see how these simple enhancements improve your presentations and graphics.